Get the whole shot advantage with MSD's new two-step launch control for GM Gen 5 equipped manual transmission vehicles or any vehicle taking advantage of a Gen 5 swap. GM's Gen 5 LT engines produce great low-end torque and top-end power. Harness both by incorporating MSD's two-step launch control, allowing your vehicle to maximize starting line traction and produce consistent launches, while letting the engine pull smoothly all the way to redline once the vehicle is moving. Controlling wheel spin and maintaining starting line consistency are keys to winning races. The MSD two-step launch control allows you to do both. When activated using either a clutch pedal switch or a momentary push button switch, MSD's two-step launch control will hold your engine at a constant RPM while you hold the pedal to the metal. As soon as the activation switch is released, the engine will instantly accelerate towards the red line. MSD's two-step launch control comes with factory coil connectors for a simple plug-and-play installation. All you have to do is mount the unit, supply switched power and ground, wire the activation switch, and you're off to the races. A handy LED shows when the launch rev limit is active. The launch RPM set point is quickly and easily adjusted with two built-in rotary dials, and it ranges from 1800 RPM to 9900 RPM in 100 RPM increments. With MSD's Gen 5 two-step launch control, you'll get consistent launches each and every time your GM Gen 5 powered ride is at the track. Thanks for watching. For more information on MSD products, visit msdperformance.com.